Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we'll see what is the variable, different types of variable we can create using Postman, what is scripts, how to write the scripts for different validations. So let's start it. So first upon all we see what is the variables. Variables are nothing but the container or placeholder to store some data. We can store URLs, requests, scripts collection in the variables. Avoid hard coding of values, we can use variables to make reusable scripts. Also to manage the configuration like UAUT prod, we can use the variables. So now we'll see the different types of variables. There are 5 types of variables: global variables, environmental variables, collection variables, local variables, and data variables. So we'll see the scope of these variables. Global variable we can accessible in workspace, environmental specific to environment, collection is specific to collection, local is specific to request, data variable. In this video we will not seeing about the data variable, we will see this while data driven testing. So now go to Postman and you can see here is the option variables in this request. Click on this, so you will get G means global variables, E is the environment, C is the collection, and V is the alt. Alt is we're not using that because here we can use for secrets defined, but we don't define any secrets, so we will not using at this point. So now we'll see how to create the global variables and use in your request. So now G, so give any name and paste the URLs, regular URLs, or you are using the repeatedly. This is the base domain URLs, base URLs we can say. So while accessing in our request, just use double curly brackets and mention your variable's name, URL underscore global, and use other URLs. So now click on send. So here we'll get the response. Okay, so wait. Here we get the to not okay, so that means our request runs successfully. So this is about the global URLs you can use in this workspace anywhere. We are using this specific request, but in this workspace you can use anywhere. Now we'll see the environment variable. To create the environment variable, you need to create the environment first. So you can go here environments and create the new variable, new environments, or you can click on here and add. You can click on this add, and now we have created the QA as the environment. You can create any environment, UAT, SIT, UAT, you can create any environment. Now we have created the QA environment. Under that here we need to create the variable. So URL underscore QA environment space that URL. So now we have created the environment variable. So now we'll see how to use this. So QA environment, go to there, double curly brackets, mention these URLs and click on it. So you will get the response, same response for user 2. So this about the environmental variable. Now we'll see the collection variables. Collection variables, you can go to collection, you can create the collection variable there. Here from here UI also you can create the collection variable, same like global, like give any name, URL underscore collect variable, and space the same request, and now use in your Postman request. So go to your collection request. Here you can see URL underscore collection variables. Click. Now you will get the same response. So we used 3 types of variables here. First is the global variables, then environmental variables, then collection environments. Now we'll see the local variables. Local variables you can create here. So to creating the locals variables, you need to go to scripts, and here you can write vm.variables.set URLs underscore local, then your URLs. So you can use this same your variable name in your here. So this about the local variables, you can't create in from UI, you need to write the script. So click on send, you can see same response you will get at output or in the response body. So as this way we seen 4 types of variables, how to create and how to access this in your Postman request or collections. Now we'll see how to write the scripts. So suppose I want to get details from users. So now go to scripts tab. Now here two options, pre-request and post response. So in pre-request, so now here we'll create the variables or set the variables for this id. We passing 3 or 1 id. So now here we'll set pm.globals.set user id global user id as a 3, user id QA environment as a 2, and user id collection level at 2, also variables at local at 1. So you can use any this name here and you can hit. So here you can get from page 3. So I have used the global, so global is 3, so I get the detail from page 3. So as this way, by writing the script we can access in our request different types of variables. So now we go for create the user. So here we'll send the variables in our body. Suppose this is my body, name and job. So I'm passing this variables name in double curly brackets from scripts. So go to the scripts and pm.variables.set my name Suresh, thus pm.variables.set my job teacher. So these two variables name you can pass in your body like name and job. So now click, then you will get the name job id created at. So as this way you can pass your variables in the request body as well by writing the script. So finally in this video we seen 5 types of variables, 4 types of variables. In this video we have seen 3 types of variables you can create from this UI. Local variables we have created from scripts, and we also learn about how to write the script to get the user or create the users, how to pass the variables in the body of the request. So that's about this lecture.